So hi guys, so I'm going to unbox the Beyblade Bus God Walker and Surprise and Requiem. So I buy this in Flipkart. So let's open first God Walker. So we have the launcher now. This is the launcher. And here is the launcher's thing. Okay, we can insert this one. So let's take the Beyblade. So this is the Beyblade. So let's open it. So this is the pause. Okay. So this is the reboot driver. This is the ring, and we have the ring flame over here. So first let's assemble it. So first let's put this one and then assemble. So before assembling, let's see first one. Let's compare the Surprise and Requiem parts and this one. So I don't want to assemble it now. And we got the stickers for the wall tire. So this is the wall stickers. So let's keep this box away now. So now let's open Surprise and Requiem. So I opened it now. So this is the launcher. This is the Surprise and Requiem. Woo! Okay, let's remove this string. Okay, let's come to the Beyblade now. So good. Let's open it. So this is the Surprise and Requiem, and this is the modes. So I disassembled it. So we have the modes over here. So defense, sports mode, defense mode, and the attack mode. Good. So let's compare the Walker and the Surprise and Requiem. For the first thing is the Walker reboot driver is different. These have modes, but this is the normal reboot driver. And coming to the ring, they both are same. And this has a same flame, but this doesn't have. And coming to the upper one, these blades are good, strong, and this one is a bit curved. So I think the Surprise and Requiem is the best one, because this has the modes or like that. So this is the Beyblade reviews of Surprise and Requiem and God Walker. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe these vlogs.